Okay, hi guys. I need to quit the YouTube first. I will not post. I will not post or not do emoji. Not doing emoji cuts. I have command. If you don't know that, I explain it. It's like a math program, reading program like that. So I got to stop doing videos. Imag just go study hard, yeah, like that. So first, I'm on vacation. Okay, just let me rest for a bit, because I'm feeling tired. I cannot do posts. So let me rest. I'll visit my cousins. I'll visit my cousins in in Saturday, yeah, not Sunday. So I'm gonna wait. Okay. If you understand my voice, not voicing reveal. This is not my real voice. Okay. Okay. It's been a few days so we met at I'm gonna meet you at my birthday. I'm gonna meet you at my birthday, okay? September birthday. Hehe. Only 2 months. Yeah. So hope you understand this because I have school. I'm grade 3 and it's hard to complain. So probably I don't have much time left. Please, I hope you understand this. Okay, bye. Bye bye.